If you're looking to make your WordPress site more exciting and visually dynamic, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll walk you through adding animated particles, specifically a dazzling fireworks effect, directly into your Elementor pages using a free plugin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add custom animations to your background, helping your website stand out, captivate visitors, and create that wow factor without touching a single line of code. Let's jump right in. The plugin we're using offers a free fireworks background widget, and it works seamlessly with Elementor. It's designed to slot right into any container or section on your page. That means you can decide exactly where those animated fireworks show up, whether it's behind your hero banner in a testimonial area or on a special landing page. First things first, let's install the plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and hover over Plugins. Click on Add New. That's simple. Now in the plugin search bar, type Unlimited Elements for Elementor. You'll see it pop up in the results pretty quickly. Click Install Now and then hit Activate. This step is super important. Activating the plugin actually gets it working with your site so Elementor can access all those extra widgets. With the plugin installed and active, the next part is to activate the widget, the tool that actually gives you those animated particles. From your dashboard, navigate to Unlimited Elements and then look for Background Widgets. This is where all the visual magic happens. Search for fireworks background. You might need to scroll a little or just use the search function. Found it? Great. Click Install, and now the widget is ready to use in your Elementor editor. Now let's bring the fireworks to life on your page. Open the page in Elementor where you want to add the effect. Take a moment to decide which container or section you want to animate. Maybe it's your main header or something further down the page. Select that particular container or section. You should see the familiar Elementor panel pop up on the left, here, where the configuration happens. Switch over to the Style tab. You'll find it along the top of the editing panel. Scroll down to find Unlimited Background, which is the special area added by our plugin. There you'll see a list of background effects, so just select Fireworks Background from the dropdown. And just like that, the animated particle effect appears behind your content. Don't forget, you can adjust the settings for the effect to match your site's style or your personal taste. Feel free to play with the number of fireworks, animation speed, colors, and other options. You can create subtle sparkles for a professional look or go all out for festive celebrations. Every website is a bit different, so experiment until it feels just right for you. If your background looks busy or covers important text, remember, you can always dial down the intensity or reposition your content. And if you're not quite seeing the effect show up immediately, sometimes refreshing Elementor or clearing your cache helps, so don't worry if it takes a few seconds. That's it. You now have animated particles lighting up your Elementor site for free. This is such a fun way to bring attention to special sections or to surprise visitors with a little extra sparkle. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. If you ran into any snags or have other questions about Elementor effects, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future tutorials on making your website shine. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.